Hi, Hi everyone. This is Kiran Kumar, working as an associate professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Associate Institute of Technology and Engineering, California. So I have been working in this department for the past 14 years and dealing various subjects. So my expertise in MTech is CAD CAM. That's why I just want to uh, explain what is CAD and CAM in this video. Okay, as we all know, there are different types of evolutions have been came across like industry 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0. So where the developments right from the steam engines to nowadays is computer operated engines we have seen. So there are vast technological developments in the previous eras. So in the industry 4.0, the computers came into existence where various technologies and various industries and various machines have been integrated to the computer programs to perform various tasks. Like especially if we come for if we take into consideration the industries, mechanical industries like fabrication or any industries. So you can see there are various forms or various um, areas that is being working out to produce any product. For example, if you see any life cycle of any product, if you want to observe, you can see that this is a basic product cycle. You can see where the product is being starting from the market, where the feedback from the market, what the actual customers are needing, or whatever the uh, what customer wants, what he's looking for. This feedback, this is taken. This information is being taken in the form of feedback, and this collective information will be uh, gathered and discussed with a group of engineers to develop a new product concept. We call that one as a product concept. So there, the actual concept of what to develop, what product we need to develop, and what are the various specifications that product has to be developed with, and what are the various functions of that product. All these categories will be a detailed report of that product, what it must contain, and how it looks like, how it should be weighted, the design should be, and everything would be a product concept will be uh, finalized in the product concept area. Next, that concept will be moved to the design engineers where they will be working out on the designs by taking, previously they used to take the numerical problems. So basing on the numerical problems and numerical formulas we are having in the design streams. So basing on that formulas, they are going to calculate the various functionalities like stresses, strains, and the working capabilities like velocities, accelerations, everything, whatever the design, basing upon the need of the component, we are going to find out all the necessities of that component in the designing engineering. Later on, after finalization of the design, and that product will be moved into the drafting department where the various diagrams or various uh, uh, diagrams or drawings of that components, various components are being prepared. So in the drafting area. So these three departments will be coming under the design department where the concept will be developed first of all, and the second, later on, basing upon the concept, the design actual how it should look like, and based upon the look and strength and weight and functionalities will be designed in the design engineering department. Later on, upon the finalization of the designs, that will be moved on to the drafting for the drawings. Okay, after this, these three areas will be coming under the design stream, and later on, after completion of the design department work, that work will be moved to the actual manufacturing department where the actual product has to be manufactured. That production department will be consisting of a few departments where the priorly process planning has to be prepared, how the process, how the execution of that manufacturing should be taken place, right from the ordering of the materials to the final product preparation. So what are the various phases that is going to be taken place in the production department that will be prepared in the form of a process plan. So that process plan contains each every minute informations, like what is the type of material, how much material it is should be required, what are the various processes that are involved, and what are the time taken for each process. So likewise, each and every minute information will be included in the process plans, and according to the process plans and whatever the schedules that are being given by the customer, so we are going to prepare the production schedules. It means when the process has to be started and when it should end. So they will be giving a time phrase. Within that time phrase, the worker should complete their work. So after that one, they would be moving on to the production department, means where the assembly process and everything will be completed. And later on, it will be moved on to the quality control department for testings and quality checks and everything. After passing on the quality checks, then it will be the product will be moved shipped to the market. Again, the feedback, whatever the products we have purchased into produced to the market, we'll take the feedback of the product from the customers, and then later on we are going to improve whatever the modifications that are necessary. So and prepare a new concept and a new product, so and new products into the market. So this is a product cycle. We can call it this as a cycle, because the cycle will be moving from market to market, and with from as soon as it is going from the market and coming to the market, there will be a lot of modifications that are being done, and a new concepts will be delivered to the markets. So later on developments has been made when the computers has been evolved into the system, that CAD and CAM systems have been developed in now from the 1942 onwards. The research has been moving on from the Second World War time onwards. The research has been moving how to integrate or how to run the machines by the help of a programs, where from the NC machines have been developed, and later on now we can see the sophisticated CNC machines doing a lot of complex operations with a multi-axis capabilities within less time. Okay, and these integrations, it is very much necessary for an industry to integrate with the latest technologies, whatever the technologies that is being developed, in order to improve its productivity and reduce its scrap and human involvements. So we need to integrate the systems, every systems, into with the help of computer systems that are being developed for an industry to be in the market. So in that developments, we came across the CAD and CAM systems, where priorly we have used for it in the manufacturing systems, where CAD is it stands for the computer aided design. As we know that the industry is having two different departments, various departments. Mainly it is considered as two departments, that is design department and the manufacturing department. So the concept is also, the subject name is also known as the CAD and CAM, where CAD stands for the computer aided design, and CAM stands for the computer aided manufacturing. So whatever the areas that are there, that in the CAD design stream, that are being integrated with the computer aided systems, CAD and CAM, like as you see in the here. So the product concept and the design engineering that comes under CAD, and the draftings are also being prepared with the help of a computerized plotters, different plotters and the printers. Okay, so later on the manufacturing processes also, whatever the various manufacturing processes are there, like process planning, we are going to take the help of a computer aided process planning. We call that one as computer aided process planning, where the process plans are also prepared by using computers, by giving some information, whatever the information that is required to prepare that product. We are going to give the details of the detailed information to the system, thereby the system will be generating a process plan. So we'll call that one as a computer aided process planning. And computer aided schedulings and requirements, shop floor controls and everything in the scheduling departments, that is also can be controlled with the help of programs. And by using the robots and the CNC machines, we can manufacture the component, and the actual fabrication of the component can be done by using these machines. Later on, quality control techniques like computer-aided quality control techniques like CMMs and optical methods, non-optical methods techniques. By usage of all those things, we can develop this quality controls. And later on again, this will be okay. Likewise, this manufacturing system, total manufacturing system, is being integrated with the CAD and CAM for various purposes, thereby increasing our efficiency and effective products and in an efficient manner. So we can say the definitions are being given as like this. The computer CAD is defined as the computer-aided design. Is nothing but it is the use of computer system to assist in the creating of the designs, modification, if any modifications are necessary, that can be modified, and analysis, whatever the performance analysis that is of that component is to be analyzed, that can be also done by, and or optimization of the design. If any optimization can be required, means minimization of the material requirements. So by that effective, without neglecting the strength, remove usage of materials, less material can be used. In that way we can optimize our concepts, optimization concepts out. So this is computer design can be defined as the use of computer system to assist in the creation, modification, analysis, or optimization of a design. And these are the various implementations why computer aided design systems are being introduced in the and these are the various design applications of computers for design, with the recognition of need, problem definition, synthesis and analysis, and optimizations, and evaluation and presentations. This is actual a design process. What we have in concept, where we have seen in the product cycle, we have seen the product concept. This actually involves this one. So where we can use this CAD in various forms of this design also, where in the synthesis, modeling, and analysis, evaluating, and drafting systems. Okay. And there are various benefits of the CAD: shorter lead times, design analysis, fewer design errors, greater accuracy in design calculation, standardization of design, graphic and documentation, drawings are more understandable, improves procedures for engineering changes, and lot more we can say. And CAM defined, the computer-aided manufacturing can be defined as the use of the same computer system to plan, manage, and control the operations of a manufacturing plant through their either direct or indirect computer interface with the plant's production resources. The application of computer manufacturing falls into two broad categories. That is, one is computer monitoring and control, that is direct application. And the second one is the manufacturing support applications, that is indirect applications. Okay. So in the next class, we'll see a lot more what is computer monitoring, control, and manufacturing support applications in detail. So with this, we'll end the session. So thanks for listening. And if any queries, please post my mail, which is given in the. Thank you.